The domino effect refers to a chain reaction where an initial event triggers a series of subsequent events, often with escalating consequences. In the natural gas industry, this concept is particularly relevant to safety incidents and industrial accidents. Example 1. Pipeline explosion and fire spread. Imagine a gas pipeline suffers a rupture due to corrosion. The escaping high-pressure natural gas ignites, causing an explosion. The heat from this blast damages nearby pipelines or storage tanks, leading to further explosions and fires. This escalation is a classic domino effect, where one failure sets off a chain of destructive events. Example 2. LNG storage facility incident at a liquefied natural gas (LNG storage facility). If a tank leaks due to structural failure, a vapor cloud can form. If the vapor cloud reaches an ignition source, it can result in a massive explosion. This explosion might then compromise other nearby tanks or gas handling equipment, causing a cascade of failures. Example 3. Processing plant equipment failure. A malfunctioning compressor in a gas processing plant may overheat and catch fire. This fire could spread to other vital equipment, such as separators or storage units. The resulting explosions may render the entire facility inoperable, affecting supply chains and causing environmental hazards. Safety measures to prevent the domino effect. Proper equipment maintenance, regular inspections to identify corrosion, leaks, or faulty components. Fire and gas detection systems, early alerts to prevent small incidents from escalating. And physical barriers, walls or blast-proof enclosures between key equipment to stop cascading failures. By understanding and mitigating domino effects, the natural gas industry can reduce the risk of large-scale disasters and maintain safer operations.